Hello, welcome to Plant Therapy. This is Mona, and you might hear a little excitement in my voice, and that is because I just received a package from, here we go, Rare Herbs Garden, New Jersey. If you've been following me, then you know I have ordered from this Etsy seller before. Here's all the info. And I love the little touches included with the plant. There's always something nice in the package, little extra. And this time there was really something nice extra that I'll share with you in a second. But first, let me show you what I ordered. Here's the name, Hoya Affinity Serpens Wenchiensis. I recorded the unboxing, but I was babbling like a fool, so I decided to reshoot this, trying to sound like I have some kind of sense. Here we go. This was what I ordered, and it's already in pon in this nice tall little vessel, which I like, so that the plant can drape over the sides. As you see, it's already starting to trail. Isn't that adorable? Now, one thing I like about this Etsy seller is that with some of the plants, he'll include a rare or uncommon Hoya along with what you're ordering for free. So I just wanted to share that with you. It is Chunxiao 005. And that's the date that I received it so that I would remember when I got this. And here we go. It's quite a generous cutting too, and it's sitting in a little bed of moss. And here it is. It's got a little bit of moss on there. Let's see if I can get that off. Well, doesn't matter. But look, I got quite a few nodes here. I am going to pot this up in pon right off the bat. Look at that. So I am ready to see what this is going to look like. I did look it up because I wasn't familiar with first of all, how to say the name. So I looked that up, and hopefully I got the correct information and pronunciation. And yeah, thank you so much, Jack. I'm really appreciative of this. You're introducing me to some new Hoyas. The other time it was the Low Harry, and that one is doing well. It's I think I put it in Fluval Stratum, and it's doing well. It's rooted in there. So yeah, I'm excited about that too. And it sort of reminds me of that. It's the long leafed, thin leaves. But I'm going to get a picture. I'm going to find a picture and see if I can include it when I edit the video of a full plant so you can see what it can look like eventually if I don't kill it. And I won't. So I'm very appreciative of that. Very nice touch to include something we're not familiar with, or at least I'm not familiar with. A little extra is very nice. So yeah, that's it. This is my new tiny leaf Hoya. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Looks like it's, I don't know if that's splash or what. It's very pretty. Look at it up close. There's still a little fuzz from the packaging. And let me tell you, this was packed so well, you know, with the insulation, the fluff. And it's been in the mail for a couple of days. And so far, I can't tell if there's any damage. I don't think so. I think it'll be fine. And it's a rooted plant, so I think we'll be okay. So thank you again, Jack. I so appreciate you and your store. And guys, check them out if you're in the market for Hoyas. And like I said, I like it because he's only a couple of states away, so I can get my plant pretty quickly. And I didn't bother to include the heat pack because, you know, I didn't expect the temperature to drop too low. But again, these are plants and they're sitting in a box, sometimes on a cold truck or in a post office somewhere. So yeah, if they're not packed properly, then the plant could show up with damage and could be dead on arrival. But I haven't had that with Hoyas. I just had my Bella, was the only one that seemed to show some damage from traveling. But as you saw in a video recently, I chopped that into 2 halves and tried to save it. 1 half totally died, and the other half looks like it's surviving. So I'll be updating you guys with that. But anyway, thanks for watching. My Hoya obsession continues.